Term 3, Unit 5 Money, Part 5. In this session, we are going to learn about Exercise 5.2, first sum, fill in the blanks. So first one, fill in the blank. Here we are going to do multiplication and also division, and we are going to fill the answers, right? So let us do as usual. Like this, you have to draw the tabular column and mention the value. So 75 into 5, right? So 5 5s are 25. So 5 should be down and 2 should be upon the tens column, like this. Then 5 sevens are 35. So 35 plus 2. We have to add the 2 also, isn't it? So 35 plus 2 is equal to 37. So 7 should be here and 3 should be upon the 100 column. Now we don't have any value in 100 column, so let us bring the 3 here. So the value will be rupees 375. So whatever procedure, that is the same for that normal multiplication and also for this money. So no variation, just we have to multiply and mention the rupee symbol. So second sum, here we are going to do division mark. So I am going to do the direct cancellation method, right? So mention the rupees 225 divided by 25, right? So here 25 and above both are common in 25 times table. So it will be easy for you to do, okay? Just see one glance. So I have selected 25 as a common table and 25 one time, and in the numerator let us cancel with 8. So 25 8s are 200 mark. So do the calculation in mind itself. 25 4 times 100. So 25 8 times 200, right? So cancel the 200 and mention it 8. Then we have dot and 25 pies. So with that pies column, we shouldn't calculate with 1. Simply we couldn't do that. So mention that 0 1, right? Okay. If you do the long division method, you will get an exact amount. So anyway, just do like this. Okay, fine. So mention the answer here. At the top we have 8 rupees 1 pice. Here in denominator we have only 1. So whatever divided by 1, we get the same answer. So mention it in that fill in the blank, right? Now third sum. Here also we can do the direct cancellation method. It will be easy because both ends with zeros, isn't it? So divided by 500. So cancel 1 0 in the numerator and 1 0 in denominator, and also one more in top and one more in bottom. Now it's easy to do the cancellation, isn't it? So let us take the 5 times table as a common. Fine. So 5 one time, and here 5 7 times, right? So from the top we have 7, and in numerator and denominator we have only 1. So 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. Rupees 7. Yes. With that rupee symbol we have to mention more. That's very important. So here the answer is rupees 7. Fourth one. Here rupees 15 and 55 is going to multiply with 100. So it's very easy. We can join the two zeros from the 100 with that question itself. That means 155000. Then if we keep the dot 2 digits before means we will get the same answer 1550. That's it. But for your reference, I have mentioned the tabular column. So here I have entered all the values without dot. So to avoid confusion, I took out the dot mark. So let us multiply with 100. So now 0 multiply with 0, we get the answer 0. Then 0 5s are also 0. 0 5s are also 0. Whatever number multiply with 0, we get the answer of 0 only. Clear? Then now we are going to multiply with 0 in tens place. So now we are going to multiply with the tens place. So mention the 0 in last digit. Okay. So let us start. 0 zeros are 0. Once again 0 5s are also 0. Here once again 0 and last one also 0. Finally now we are going to multiply with 1. So fill that ones and tens place with 0. Clear? Now let us start multiply. So 1 zeros are once again 0. 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. 1 ones are 1. So what we have to do now? Right. We need to add all those values, isn't it? Okay. So if we add in that corner, 0 will be the answer, and once again 0. Here also 0. Here 5. And in this 5, then 1. See, this will be the answer, ma. Yes. So 1,55,000, isn't it? But very important thing, we have the dot in that rupees, isn't it? Fine. So how many digits before we have dot? Listen here. 1550, isn't it? So last two digits. So two digits before we have dot. So sure we need to keep the dot two digits before. So dot should be come in between here. You understand? Okay. So rupees 1555 into 100, that's equal to, we have to mention like this only. You understand what I'm saying? Very good. So enter the answer rupees 1550. That means 1550 rupees. That's what I have told you in the starting itself. Right? So we can do the mind calculation also. It's better. Okay?